Morning. Might be lunchtime now. For those who are still watching this rubbish, gonna have another go today. Me and Jace training for the GS Trophy still, which is just a bit of a laugh more than anything else. Got my drone. Didn't put the GoPro on today. I don't normally use the GoPro. Haven't used it for ages. Not since I had the Sena helmet cam with the 10C. I haven't bothered using the GoPro so much, but I thought I'd bring it along. It's no weight to it. It's only a little Session 5, so it's tiny. Got the drone. Got to try and fly that again. A little bit better this time. I'm not doing very well with the drone, to be honest. I'm struggling with it. I can't get the follow me mode to work properly, but there you go. Hopefully it's not too windy. It's deceptive. When you stand here, it's dead still, but as soon as you get up a few meters, the wind picks up dramatically. So now I'm going to meet Jace, get some fuel, and have another go at some practicing. Hopefully. God, that sun is bright. God, why are you still watching this rubbish? No worries. Since last week's great weekend, but dropping the rut, as they called it, stuck in the rut. The radiator then created an airlock. I didn't thought I'd bashed it or done anything like I thought I had. It just created an airlock. I thought the fork seal had gone as well, but just because it was upside down, I thought he was going to let me out there for a minute. And he thought about it and thought, nah, bloody motorbikes. See, that one could have let me out, but no. He's got a beard. Oh, so have I. Anyhow, I'm now off to meet Jace at fuel station. I didn't do a fork seal just because it was upside down, and anyone who knows anything about these GSs with these telelever front forks, power lever, telelever, I don't know, I always get in the muddle with my levers. They are just a hollow tube. They're not like a normal shock. All they do is carry the front wheel. The suspension's done up under here in the front shock. So clean it up, clean the seal up, give it a wipe, all good. You know, you only need a drop of oil to look like a ton of oil, so that was that. The radiator, I emptied it. I went to empty it, and I thought, I took the hose off, there's going to be no water in here, and loads of water poured out. I thought, oh, that's weird. Anyhow, so I removed what I believed was the offending radiator, the right hand side, pressurised it, filled it with water, pressurised it, could not get a leak out of it. So I thought to myself, what's going on here then? So I wasn't 100% sure what had happened, but the only thing I could think of, it created an airlock, and that airlock was somewhere near the thermostat, preventing the thermostat was open, because the radiators are always cold by being upside down. So I got some new proper butylene fluid for it, coolant, drained it down and replaced the coolant, and so far it's been testing it in the garage. This is the first ride with it. It's been working fine. I've removed the secondary fangs. I think I have a faulty cable, but I will refit that when Mario at 12com sends me another cable. So I really like the extra fan. It cools it really quick. But talking to my engineers at BMW Lind in Norwich, can't recommend them enough. You don't need to vacuum them to get them to drain, to bleed the air out. You just do it slowly, let the air out through the cap, keep circling it, cool, few cycles, and eventually the water will, for want of a phrase, the air will come out of the water, and that's what happens. The main reason they use a vacuum, they vacuum everything because it's quick, you know. Engine temperature's up to 87, 88. But I'm presuming that's because the thermostat hasn't cut in yet, and I was talking to Carl, and it cuts in really high on these, so we'll have to see what happens today. Here it's cut in now 89, and it's now dropping like a stone. The radiators have come in, it's down to 79, 8, 77, 76. God, it's never been this cold since I had it. So they could have had an airlock in there a while, and I just made it worse by tipping the bike upside down. Yeah, it's running at about 77. It normally runs about 79. So either that was settled down. It's settling down to 7 and 76 and 80 and 75. Bloody hell. Right, alright, 74. Oh my god, it's going to freeze me. But there you go. Job's a good one. So we'll just see how it goes. But the other thing I did, well, a couple of things really. When it went down in the rut, it bent the brake lever, rear brake lever. So matches Jason's bent brake lever. It bends it into a better position. You know, you daren't try and bend it yourself, but when you got to bend it back because it's bent, you just get on with it, don't you? You know, just get your screwdriver, your spanner out, and just bend it round, or your hammer. Yeah, so I did that, and I thought, well, the back brake on these, for some reason, whether they just need regular bleeding or not, I don't know, but mine was getting spongy and it was more and more travel time. I removed the rear brake caliper and I got it up high, so it's the highest part with a nipple at the highest part, and by God did I get some air out of that. So the back brake now is like instant. How long it'll stay like that, I don't know. I don't know where the air comes from, I don't know why they draw air in there. Braided cables, either that or they never get breathing properly.
Yeah, no, it's, well, the hard bit's out of the way. The sandy bit, anyway.
Right, we're trying to find just somewhere to do a bit of practicing. He's roared up there now. Where's that? Whoop, here we go. Oh, this is pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah,
right.
Where we were last time.
Is this where we were last time?
Yeah, just right over there.
Alright, okay. Let's stop and set something up then. Right, we're middle of nowhere on some common land, and we'll set out some cones. You can see them there. Jason. We'll try and fly the drone. The wind's picked up a bit now. And just have some fun really. Okay, let's try them a bit closer together. Man, he is good.
Alright, doing a circle now. Oh, this is... a little hard with the bumps, but there you go. A little wide. Yeah, try the other way.
That's the bump, isn't it? It's the bump, right?
Yeah, I know. Little wide. Yeah. Nice.
Well, back home. That was fun today. We had got the cones out. I hope you enjoyed what we tried to do and failed miserably doing. Obviously, the more we fall off, the more people laugh, the more views we get. No, seriously. Was another good day. Jason's got a few issues from the crashes in the ruts the other week. Has bent some of his crash bars and stuff. So he's going to, we've called it a day early, about 4 o'clock time, instead of 5, 6 o'clock. So he's going to help strip his bike today and tomorrow, and then get some new brackets and that, because it's put all the plastic out of in line. And the thing is, it's all right, but if you fall in it again, it then makes things worse. It gets more expensive and more money. The radiator problem is certainly solved. Rear brake was bled yesterday. That is amazing now. It's the best it's ever been. I'm definitely going to, if I'm going to bleed the brakes again, take the caliper off, get it as high as possible. Take your time and just keep pushing the fluid through until every single tiny bubble's gone. And that back brake is as best it's ever been since I had the bike. Yeah, so that's it. So subscribe, like, send money, all that sort of stuff. Yeah, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Take care.